Hello everyone, I'm just going to show you a app that students will use in class but they can use at home. It's called Knowledgehook. It also can be accessed via computer. All you need is the website, which is knowledgehook.com. But if your child's on a tablet, this is something that you could download. It's really easy to access once you have the app. So if we go to the App Store, you can see it here. You type in Knowledgehook, it's going to come up. You want the Knowledgehook for students so that they can access it that way. You can also use the Knowledgehook for parents, and you can get updates on their results. So if we look at the app, we're going to see it here at the bottom of the screen. You've got a book with a star there. It says student. If a student goes on there, they have to enter the class code. Our class code will always be the same. It'll be KIT, K-I-T, 9655. Enter. You get the list, a class list, and you're going to find your child's name, or they're going to find their name, and enter their password. Their password should be the same as what they're used to logging into a computer at school, which is their birth year and the day they're born. So if they're born in 2010 on the 5th day of April or something like that, it would be 201005. Once in, there are missions that have been added by the teacher, by myself, and usually I'm adding them before a unit, so we're starting a unit on whole numbers. We haven't learned rounding or adding and subtracting. We haven't practiced that yet. But we will be in the next few weeks. Tomorrow we'll be doing a lesson on representing numbers. So this mission right here goes very well with our lesson tomorrow. So I'm going to hit continue here, and then the child's got to answer questions. A lot of times it'll say choose more than one answer for different types of questions. So that can confuse children who don't read it very carefully. So I might look for 43 here and see that this shows me 4 10s and 3 1s, so that's 43. And then I might feel really, really confident that I'm going to get the right answer. And when I hit submit, I'm left with a message saying that I don't quite have the answer yet. So I got to read carefully, make sure I know exactly what it says. Click on all the ones that show me 43, hit submit, and I get it right, and I earned a bot, which sometimes the kids get excited about. If there's a question that they're not sure about, they could use the hint feature. And if they're really having a problem with a question, this is kind of a cool feature as well. They can hit the Take It Up button, and you'll see that it says, ask your teacher to solve this question in class. So I would get an email that would let me know that a student has requested that we take up this question in class because they don't understand it. So that's kind of a neat feature. So if I hit submit here, an email will show up on my account at some point in the next few hours or tomorrow morning, and I'll see that and know that someone wants me to explain this question. So that's pretty cool. Anyways, this is Knowledgehook. It's good for some extra math practice at home. It is something we'll be using in class as well. Something at home as well. If you have any questions, please let me know.